Yo guys, it's Jagman667 here. My second video. Yes, I'm excited that I have a YouTube now. This is gonna be my last airsoft review for a while, and I know I've only put up 2 airsoft reviews. I don't have any other guns right now. I could review a gun in there, but it's sucky. So let's just get to it. It's a really old Crossman gun. I'm a fan of Crossman. It's a PowerMaster 760. It takes .177 caliber pellets repeater, and here's the gun. Stock. Whatever you call this part. And the barrel, which is pretty long. It's a rifle. And you probably guessed it. Alright, now there's you can keep spare BBs in this little slot, but I took a couple out, and the way you pretty much do it is, see a BB? Wait one sec. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull this back. This is the only way I know how to do it. There's a little slot right there. See how it closes? You're going to want to open that up, throw the BB right there, and it's ready to shoot. So let's get to it and start the shot. Alright. And before, this is, I know these are the BBs that I'm using. Yeah, I'm not just an airsoft reviewer. I will review BB guns. But here you go. Let's take a shot. Take a look. And see how this will work. That went through there really good. I'm not gonna lie. It's still in there. This thing is amazing to shoot. If I can find my Red Ryder, I'll review that too, because that's a fun gun. I approve of the, I don't like the loading, like having to put the BB in there, but I do like the, kind of deal. Now, if any of you guys are familiar with this gun, can someone tell me what this power switch does right here? I'm probably going to be doing a couple daily vlogs. Nothing much. I might, I'm not sure. So just put a comment down below saying what do you want to see? I want to shoot this thing one more time. Yeah, let's shoot this thing one more time. Why not? And you can look at me this time. That's that.